Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Do4 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dutch puzzle designer Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Do4 puzzle is named after Guillaume-Henri Dufour, one of the founders of the International Red Cross. That's why there is a red cross in a design of this puzzle. The Do4 puzzle is made of two different kinds of wood, pin oak and paduk. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 10 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is, actually this puzzle has two different objects. The first one is to remove all parts from the frame and put them back inside the frame in such a way that no parts will be sticking out. So all parts are supposed to be like this small piece hidden inside the frame below this line. And when you solve the first object, it doesn't matter the color of the piece, you just have to put all parts inside so no parts will be sticking out. And the second object is obviously to put all parts in such a way that there will be a red cross on top. And this object is going to be as difficult as the first object, so when you buy this puzzle, you get two really difficult challenges in one. So if you like Do4 puzzle designed by Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!